Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So in the garden is about 7:30 in the morning right now. Gonna do some harvest and show you guys, and powder mildew all over the place. I even see like a couple of my leaves look like they have frost in it. It's so weird. Basically, I'm in Long Island, New York if you're new, and what happened the last 2 nights, it's been getting chilly. It got up to like 58 degrees, 60 degrees one night, and I'm like, wow, that's not good. So basically when it's so cold, this summer plant, it's no good for the summer plant. It's basically stunned the growth. The plant is not gonna, produce more. It's gonna slow the process down basically. And if it gets too cold, it's gonna eventually take out the summer plants. But now I'm stuck between a colder weather in the morning, night, but then during the day it gets up to 80 degrees, 70 something degrees to 80 degrees, which is bad because when the weather is hot and cold like that, you're gonna get more powder mildew. So that's going to be a problem, and powder mildew will spread on your plant. So what you could do to get rid of it, you mix baking soda, soap and water and spray it on the leaf, but spray it in the evening time because you don't want to spray it if the sun is hot. You'll burn your leaf. All right, so let me go ahead and harvest. I didn't came in here for 2 days, and believe me guys, from 2 days in a garden, it's a lot. So I'll show you guys right here. Let me lower this down. Alright, so this is a nice, beautiful, it's a little overgrown, but it's not like rotten or anything like that. It's beautiful. I just like to pull at the bottom piece. So look at this. It's massive, gorgeous. Look at the color on this zucchini. It's really, I'm telling you, I grilled this several times and it's really delicious. One of my good friend Carlos, he loves this. I know, this is one of his favorite. Carlos. So I'm gonna show you guys basically what I'm harvesting right now. It's not much because it's not much right now. I've been harvesting almost every chance I come in here. So the last 2 days I came in, I picked a bunch of stuff because I had a grill. And well, let me show you guys the leaves, what I'm talking about right now, so you guys could see. All right guys, so let me show you up close. Look, see that? That's more than just powder mildew. That's the weather. It's a cold weather plus the powder mildew and everything in one. So the weather plays a big impact. You can see all the water, if you shake it, there's a lot of water coming down. I don't water my plant from the top, I water from the soil. So this is bad. When the sun comes out and those water's still there, it's gonna burn the leaf. It's gonna get it crispy, and it's really bad. This guy's following me around. I just gave him fresh tomatoes, but he's still following me around right now. Let me show you guys. This right here, this is scary because this what happens when it's really cold. When it's coming down to fall time. See that? So strange, man, because I don't understand. I didn't realize the weather's gonna be like this. Alright, so you could tell, look, so when I'm feeling it, it's like it came out from the fridge or something. Oh, it's kind of scary. This is a beautiful one though, as you guys see. Healthy, man, I'm telling you. The only thing, remember, if you guys remember watching my video, the only thing I added the last 2 weeks. Within the last 2 weeks, what I did was add the coffee ground and fresh soil, and you guys could see it's looking really well. Alright guys, I'm gonna come right here. I got another one. I could leave this to grow, but this is pretty good. I don't want to leave anything extra on the plant right now if they could grow, because I have like a couple more smaller female there. So if we could get that growing before this weather get crazy, I would love to get some more. It look like we have a bunch of leaves, so I always like to take out one or two. This way it always gives, your plant always get. And then cut out, guys, cut out any male flowers that's already finished. I want more energy to get to that. Sorry about the camera, guys, but I do have another one here. But I have a lot of leaf going on here, so always I like to take off a couple leaves from the bottom. Especially when you guys living in a zone like this that you only have a limited time. You want to go ahead and prune. Now get your plant pushing to the other. Get your plant basically pushing energy to the other smaller fruits, so we could get another harvest coming in. You know, don't be afraid to prune, guys. Just don't prune out everything from your plant. Oh, this is another one. Beautiful. See that? So you could see this, the frost in it, the cold weather. Look, see that? And it's the waters. All right, guys. So this is what we got here. This is a couple fresh zucchini. Doesn't matter. I always said 1, 2, 3. We're always grateful and appreciate, and super excited for a harvest. So I'm not sure how much more harvest is going to come from the zucchini plant that I have. I have about 8, at least about 8 or 10 more zucchini plant, and I have about I think 4 squash plant left. Look at this, beautiful. So I'm hoping that I could get, you know, some more of these guys. And basically what I'm going to start doing is start freezing some back. Going to freeze some for the winter, so hopefully they'll be good for my pet pig. And he's over there waiting already. Beautiful, guys. I have to harvest my cucumbers, guys. It's been, you know, it's been a while. It's been a couple days now I didn't harvest, so the sun is coming out really hot now. I'm going to come back later on today, and I'm going to try to harvest all the cucumbers, and I'm going to show you guys a quick video. And even my cucumber plant leaves, I was looking at the leaves, they were like burning up, they were getting weird color, they were, you know, getting that powder mildew and the cold, the frost from it coming. So that's a big sign right there. So good time now, guys, if you're in a zone like me, you know, make sure you get all your fall plant. I'm still behind of my fall plant, so I did plant lettuce and radish. I have to plant some beets and some other stuff. I did plant a couple more stuff. I gotta go through. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. Alright, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching GreenTGarden. That was a quick harvest. I had a harvest. It's good to harvest, guys. The more you harvest, the more you get. The more your plant is going to push more energy to the smaller ones. It's always good to just harvest. And thank you, guys. If you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. Please subscribe. It's 100% free. Click the bell icon. Every time I upload it, you guys will get a video right away. And if you guys started your fall crops, please comment below. Let us know what's growing in your garden, because right now I'm going to have to show you I don't have much fall crop. I feel like after seeing this weather today, what's going on in my garden, I feel like I'm way behind of the fall, so this is kind of scary. So I'm gonna come back later on today, and I'm gonna have to plant some beets and some more. We're a big fan of lettuce and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and plant, and carrots. My kids will love carrots, so I'm gonna be planting some carrots and stuff. So comment below, let me know what you guys think, what you guys are planting for fall. If you're new and you want to know what to plant for fall, you could plant stuff like lettuce, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, beets. You could do bottle gourd. They will grow in the fall weather. And I'll see you guys next time on GreenTGarden. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up.